So over here, you can see that I am in the edit page and you can see that I have this video clip right here on my timeline. So what you can do inside of Davinci Resolve on the edit page is you can add in subtitles according to how you like. So for that, you can go around onto the video layer right here and you can right click, and over here you can see that add subtitle track is an option. So once you click on this, what happens is that a subtitle track pops up right here. So you can go around and right click and you can click on add subtitle and a subtitle shows up on that particular section, as you can see. So you can go around, select the range of time where you want to add in a specific subtitle and then click on it. So over here, you can go around where it says caption, which pops up under the inspector, and you can go around and type, let's say for example, hello there right here. Usually you write it with the dialogue, but for example, I'm just going around and adding in the subtitles randomly, as you can see right here. And as I move around the timeline cursor, you can see that the hello there pops up. I can go around and right click over here and click on add subtitle once more. So once I do that, I'm going to go around and say good morning right here. So I'm just going to go around and type that in right here. And you can see that this is what you have. So good morning and hello there is here. So what you can do is you can also format out the subtitle, but that is something we're going to look in other videos. But for simple formatting, I'm just going to go around under style and select out the color as black so that it is much more visible in this particular setting. And you can see that the color changes for both of the subtitles that I have right here. And similarly, you can go around and keep on adding more subtitles, and then you can go around and then edit it under captions right here according to how you like. So I'm just going to go around and say going for a walk right here, just like this. So that is how you can go around and add in subtitles inside of the edit page in Davinci Resolve. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.